it's Michelle again from The Singing Baker. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite appetizers to make when I'm having a Mexican fiesta, and it's my Southwest salsa. I love entertaining. No matter what the holiday is, I'm always up for a party. And I've taken many cooking classes and baking classes over the years, so I wanted to share with you some of my favorite appetizers and cocktails to make. So today we're going to have Southwest salsa. So you start with tomatoes. I usually get about 4 to 5 of these nice vine ripe tomatoes, and then what we do is just mix it with some onions, sweet red pepper, cilantro, jalapenos, garlic, and then a few other items. So I'll put the recipe in the link below. So you just basically go and dice up all of your tomatoes, and then we're going to chop our onion, chop half of a sweet red pepper, and then our jalapenos. So I'm now dicing my onion. You need about, say, a half a cup of onion in here, so I usually do about a half of an onion, white onion. How you dice the onion is you basically just take the half like this, do some cuts this direction, then go put your hand, be very careful with your hands, put your hand on the top, go across this direction, and then at the end you can go just downwards again, and it'll be a nice dice for you. So we're adding this onion to the diced tomatoes. I put all the diced tomatoes in a pot. We're going to cook it at the end just for a little bit with some tomato paste until it gets nice and thick. And then that is actually good to keep in your fridge up to a month. It was really fun years ago. I had a huge veggie garden in my backyard, and I used to have tomatoes, peppers, onions, and I used to make lots of different salsas, all different varieties, as well as different tomato sauces, so that was fun. So if you wanted to take this recipe and can it, you certainly could just add a little pickling salt at the end. So we've added our tomatoes and our onions. I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic right now, so we're just going to smash these and chop them up. The jalapenos I'm also going to dice up. You want to dice it finely because you don't really want a huge chunk of jalapeno in your bite. When you're entertaining, some people like really spicy, some people like it a little more mild. And then also when you are doing your jalapenos, make sure to take out most of the seeds if you're looking for more of a milder taste. If you want it super spicy, feel free to leave all the seeds in or some of them.
Cosas que contarte, sentimientos hacia ti. Tantas formas, tantos modos de quererte, no parecen tener fin.
So we've chopped up all of our main ingredients here. Now we're going to add the last few, and then we're going to put it on the stove to cook for about 30 minutes. The last 2 minutes of your cooking, you're adding a little bit of tomato paste. So in addition to the ingredients we've already put in our pot, we have red wine vinegar. We have a little bit of granulated sugar, lime juice, and some orange juice here. And we are just going to season it up with some salt and pepper.
Ven hacia mí, mírame a los ojos y así descubrirás que este amor que siento es real. Vivirás la emoción.
So our salsa is done, and it's time to eat. Delicious. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot of other great appetizer recipes, like my guacamole right here. Make sure you check that one out. And then once you've made your salsa, send me a picture. I'd love to see how it turns out. Send it to my Instagram or my Facebook. Till next time.